Hi everyone, Jennifer from Tarl's Speech with your pronunciation question. We have 3 words today: nutrient, nutrition, and nutritious. And these words all refer to substances that provide nourishment. So let's take a look at our words. We have nutrient, nutrition, and nutritious. All right, so let's start with syllable number 1, new. Nice and easy. Touch the tip of your tongue to the back of your top front teeth for that N sound. Air will move out of your nose for that nasal N sound. And then pucker your lips for the ooh and make that vowel nice and long. New, new. Yes, it's just like the word new. For nutrient, next we are going to move to the tree syllable. To say tree, you are going to touch the tip of your tongue to the back of your top front teeth for that T. And then you are going to move it away, either back away from the teeth or down to the bottom of the mouth for the R. Tr, tr, tr. It's not a CH sound. It's not a cha. It's a tr, tr. Your tongue is is moving more down or flipping back, not just pulling back. I do have a video on that sound. I'll link it in case you are interested. And then you are going to smile for that long E. Tree, tree, tree. So let's put those first 2 syllables together. New tree, nutri, nutri, nutri. And then we're going to end with unt, short, unstressed U sound. Mouth is just relaxed. And then say that N, touch the teeth, air comes out of the nose, and then as you pull the tongue away from the teeth, air just pops out of the mouth. Unt, unt, unt. Nutrient, 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 nutrient. Now for nutrition and nutritious, what we are going to do is we're going to shift that stress to the to that middle syllable. And we're no longer going to say an E, it's going to be a short I. So you're going to relax your mouth a little bit for that short I. E is up here, short I, is just down here. Your tongue will go from way high for the E, pop down a little bit, still going to be flat and high for that E, I, E, I. And then we're going to end with shun. Pucker your lips for that SH sound. Air moves out. Move to that short sound and then end with the N by touching the tip of the tongue to the back of the top front teeth. Air moves out of the nose for the shun or shus. Then you are just going to do the SH, sh, short U, s. And then the S sound. Key here is make sure your lips are pulled back and no longer puckered for that S sound. Tip of the tongue is either down or behind the back of the top front teeth. Let's put these all together. Nutrition, nutritious. Let's give them all a try. Nutrient, nutrient, nutrient. Nutrition, 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 nutrition. Nutritious, nutritious, nutritious. Nutritious, nutritious, nutritious. Nutrient, nutrition, nutritious. So I hope that you are getting a lot of your nutrients from your foods that are very nutritious and good for your nutrition. So give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. If you found this helpful, we'd love a like, a share, and a subscribe. Check out our products on Google Play, iTunes, and our classes at Tarl's Speech. Thanks everyone. Have a great week.